Hi, I'm Hiral Algaur. This is class 10th CBSE Maths students. Exercise 3.4 has been completed, and after that cross multiplication method, and cross multiplication is not in your course now. This method has been reduced. This will not come in your examination. So student, today we shall learn on how to find solutions of a pair of linear equation, that solution is unique, or many solution or no solution, by comparing uh, coefficients of variables, like, okay, by any ratios of coefficients. So let us see, there are three conditions, or three formulae, you can say, for a pair of linear equations. When a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, we get a unique solution. Second, when a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, there are infinitely many solutions. And third, when a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2, there is no solution. Okay, by applying this formula, we will solve two questions, okay, from exercise 3.5 and question number 2. Other questions not. After that we will solve exercise 3.6. See the question. First, for which values of a and b does the following pair of linear equations have an infinite number of solutions? So there are two equations. So infinite number of solutions means infinitely many solutions. In this condition, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. So let us solve it. This is the pair of linear equation, and this pair of linear equation can be written as 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0, and second equation, a minus b into x plus a plus b into y minus 3a plus b minus 2 is equal to 0. Here a1 upon a2 is equal to, there are infinitely many solutions. There are infinitely many solutions is given. So a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. a1 upon a2, a1 is 2 and a2 is a minus b is equal to b1 3 and b2 a plus b is equal to c1 minus 7 and c2 minus 3a plus b minus 2. Okay, so minus minus will be cancelled. So and this is equal to this, so take this, two a minus b is equal to 3 upon a plus b. Taking these two, 2a plus 2b is equal to 3a minus 3b. 2a minus 3b plus 2b plus 3b is equal to 0. 2a minus 3a, this is 3a. 2a minus 3a is equal to minus a, plus 5b is equal to 0, or you can say this is implies that a is equal to minus a is equal to 5b, a is equal to 5b. This is equation number 3rd. And if we take 2 upon a minus b is equal to 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2, then we will get one more equation. 2 3 is 6, 3a plus b minus 2 is equal to 7a minus b, 6a plus 2b minus 4, 7a minus 7b. So 6a minus 7a plus 2b plus 7b is equal to, transpose minus 4 to right side, is equal to 4. 6a minus 7a minus a, and plus 7 to 9b is equal to 4. So this is equation 4th. Putting a is equal to 5b in equation 4th, we get minus 5b plus 9b is equal to 4, means 4b is equal to 4. So b is equal to 4 by 4 is b is equal to 1. Putting b is equal to 1 in equation 3rd, we get a is equal to 5b, it means 5 multiply 1 means a is equal to 5. So this is the value of a and b. Answer: a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 1. Okay, so this is the answer. Equation 3x plus y is equal to 1 implies that 3x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0, and this is 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y is equal to 2k plus 1, implies that 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y minus, transpose it, minus 2k plus 1 is equal to 0. Equation 2nd. In this question we have to find the pair of linear equation have no solution. Given that the pair of linear equations have no solutions, so the pair of linear equation have nodes to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. Now a1 is equal to 3, a2 2k, a2 2k minus 1, b1 1 and b2 k minus 1. Okay, 3k minus 3 is equal to 2k minus 1. So 3k minus 2k is equal to 3 minus 1. It means k is equal to 2. So this is value of k. This is the solution of the equation. So yes, okay.